Okay, so on the side of the garage here, it got some water damage. So what's happening here is that I'm trying to remove just the soft parts, the parts that have gotten water damaged and soft, and it doesn't look like the termites have gotten this part of the garage. But what I want to do here is just I'm scratching around here looking for any hard pieces to see if this bottom piece is salvageable, but as it turned out it was not, and I end up removing it, as you'll see later on in this video here. So now I'm just poking around here, and I noticed that it's pretty solid up there, a little bit where I'm poking around, a little bit above where I'm poking around with that little trowel there, and yep, it's gonna have to come off. It's just too rotted. So on this repair here, I'm trying to use just stuff that I have lying around here and not buy anything, but just use what I have lying around the house to get this thing repaired. So right here I'm just thinking about where I'm going to cut these panels here, and yep, there's some tools there. All right, so let's put some lines on this thing here and get sawing away. Okay, here comes the saw. Yeah, this saw was pretty dull too. Need to get a sharper saw. It took quite a while actually to just saw this little tiny piece off here. There goes. Oh, left a little bit behind. Got to get up in there, move that. And just a little bit more. Is it going to come off? Oh, I'm just going to show it here. Yeah, it's pretty solid. It's good enough. This wood is probably like 7 years old. Okay, still sawing away. Okay, I think that takes care of that. Okay, what's next here? Okay, yep, the other side here. This was pretty tricky because there are some nails there. They weren't really in the way. Well, they were not nails, they were screws. And then right here, what's hard is that rain gutter's in the way. I didn't feel like removing it. And there's also this block wall on the other side, so I couldn't get a full stroke with the saw, so I have to come in with the chisels and chip away at it. But these chisels were dull too. These hand tools, a lot of these are not my tools, so I wouldn't have any dull chisels around. But get the work done.
And the tool party.
Yep, here is the tool party. Look at all these party head tools coming out. Flower time. Alright, so I was gonna pop these nails and screws out with a pry bar, but the wood was just so messed up. If I pulled it out with a pry bar, it's probably gonna yank out a whole bunch of wood that I don't want to yank out. So just decided to just cut him off. Nip nip, bang bang. One more cut. That's a little long. Bang it in. Oh, it was still sticking out a little bit more. Yeah, I wanted to get it in flush. And to cut out that little section. Got the Resipro out. But this little blade worked good for up into the corner. Then I didn't have enough reach, so I had to swap out blades. So I think I'm going to do that pretty soon. I'm still at it with the chisel here. Alright, pop that out. Clean it out a little bit. A little bit more. Not going to be able to get it. Yeah, because this chisel is dull. Yep, really dull. Yep, it really didn't work. So, am I still trying to do it with the short blade here? Or did I swap blades? Oh, there we go. Swapped. Maybe I should have just started with this blade. When is it gonna come out? Okay, got it. Paint got a little chip, but I'm gonna paint over that, smooth that out. Should be alright. Oh yeah, one of those nails went flying. Lover time.
Into the golden sunset.